Alright, we just opened a fresh box of Ritz Crackers. Just bought it at Meijer's in Michigan. And there's a date on it. Or no, there's a number. Yeah, it's got the best one used by. I don't know what, 3 of 21, so not till... Right now it's Labor Day, Sunday before Labor Day 2020, so not outdated, they're brand new, we just bought them. Show me the bottom thing on it so we can record that. There's the barcode. Anyway, we opened this up. We're going to put cheese spread on it. Show that one. And look at, turn it. There's something already on the crackers. I don't know if that's peanut butter or butt juice or... And then you open the sleeve and they're on them all in successive order. One after the other in the sleeve, and you look at the sleeves that are even unopened, and we're seeing them. There's some right there at the top. Let me try to get in the light. Right there, you can tell someone has smeared whatever that brown stuff is, and this is a sealed Ritz out of that box. There's one more sleeve in there and it's got the same kind of stuff. Or is there two more?
There's two more sleeves. I know this one has.
Right, they both have signs of whatever that brown stuff is right there already on these. And I don't know if that's poisonous, but it's gonna have, I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know if I ate one. But she spotted that. Don't know what's going on there at Ritz, folks. Nabisco, right? Used to be anyway. Who knows? Anyway, just trying to document it in case we die of some strange disease. He can chalk it up to the Ritz company. I don't know. Don't know what's going on there, folks. You got some issues.